welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith. You're watching Wild Hack. So it's almost around 10 and I am heading to IC Colony for grocery run. So it's around 10:02 and we are heading towards IC Colony. I'll just show you all the place, how it is, and we're going for some grocery runs. फटाफट एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. I am with Kevin, so let's ride. So we are going to do some grocery runs, as I said. We'll purchase some fruits and vegetables, and we are at Harinath Fruit and Vegetable Mart. Avocados. These are all fresh fruits. Mangoes as well. Kevin has taken some onions. Amount of fruits here. So we are still in a hunt of few more things. So we have taken some fruits and vegetables at Harinath Vegetable Mart. Now we'll head and get some chicken. The weather is very cloudy today. It might rain anytime. Here is the fish market. Grocery stores out here. Okay guys, so ज़्यादा सब कुछ हो गया अपना शॉपिंग करके. So I'm almost done with all my grocery runs. In fact, Kevin and me, we both are done with our grocery runs. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा हम लोग को. You know, being boys, there's a benefit. Just go pick up things and then you're back home. No bargaining, nothing. Okay. So we just wanted chicken. Okay, we are only interested in eating chicken. So I just came. I went across the shops to purchase chicken, and the cost of the chicken was literally 200 for a kg. After searching the entire place, we got a place where we get chicken quite reasonable, which is 140 bucks for a kg, and that is right here. Kevin is. It's a small shop and it's right opposite Little Cooperative Bank IC Colony. Okay, so in case if you want it as a reasonable cost, you can come in here. I don't know this place much, but I'm just giving you the landmark, and the shop is right here. 140 bucks for a chicken. This might vary, so just wanted to inform you. After a long time, the sun has risen. It was very cloudy since morning, and it's getting very tiring shopping groceries, because this is one day we get on a Sunday to go ahead and do your grocery runs, and you're occupied with other work as well. So Kevin is going to get something for the supermarket. I'm just waiting outside because I don't want to too much of mass gathering. We have to maintain social distancing, so I just thought, why not show you the place from here itself. This is how it looks. So one thing I like about this place, there are a lot of options for you to purchase things. So there are a lot of chicken shops or whatever, meat, grocery, a lot of shops available, a lot of supermarkets available. So we can just move into any of the shops and purchase. Yeah, the prices may vary. And one thing I would like to inform you all, that in case if you're moving out, it'd be better that you'll move out early in the morning. So between 10 to 11 there is a lot of crowd, lot of rush at these places. So if you want to purchase things, I will recommend to get up early in the morning. I know it's very difficult, but if you can manage to, you can just move out of your house around 8ish. How much is it? 99 petrol cost. Petrol cost has gone up to 99. What a weather. Suhana Mausam. It's something very beautiful but scary. The way it's blowing since morning. Oh ho ho ho. Look at this. Look at the trees out there. So I bought a plate of samosa here to enjoy the weather. Samosa and a beautiful weather outside. I have my samosas and enjoy the weather. Oh ho ho ho. Just stay safe home, guys. I don't know how long this is going to be, but just stay safe. I guess this might be at least for a couple of days. I don't know when I'm going to edit the video and post it. But the weather is amazing, but it's also very dangerous to travel outdoors. Just stay safe, guys. So I was supposed to go out due to some work, but I have to cancel all my plans for today just because of this wonderful weather. It's raining so heavily. It was just blowing since morning, and now it's around 11:30, and it's like raining quite heavy. It's blowing as well. So I don't know what to do. Maybe later I might leave and will motovlog a bit. I'm not quite sure कि motovlog हो जाएगा आज. मेरे को एक्चुअली जाने का था थोड़ा बाहर, थोड़ा कुछ काम से, बट मौसम को देख के ऐसा लग तो नहीं रहा है कि मैं बाहर जा पाऊँगा आज. तो आज़ान का वक्त हो चुका है और ये जो कहर बरसा रहा है ना मौसम, the way it's blowing now due to the cyclone. It was raining from quite a long time, but right now it's not raining. It's just like blowing, and I'm glad that I made a decision not to go out of the house. I'm safe. I just wanted to show you all one thing. I don't have a DSLR. I'm just shooting with my GoPro right now. There is that tree there down. It's uprooted. I just came down to check if things are okay. It's blowing out here, and I'm afraid. You can see here there is a tree that has fallen down. झाड़ गिर गया इधर पे. Just stopped our bikes. Just wanted to check if the bike is fine. And here there are bikes with cover as well. The cover भी उड़ गया है, देखो उसका पूरा cover उड़ गया है. कुछ डैमेज नहीं हुआ है. I just wanted to show you there is no damage out here. अरे बाप रे, यहाँ पे तो पानी भर गया. You can see that, and now it's blowing and it's raining as well. I don't want to waste much time. I just wanted to show. Actually, I just came to check my bike. This was the tree which I was talking about. You can see this. The impact is so strong. First time I have been experiencing this. I've never experienced this in my life. The impact of a storm. So last time there was a storm, it didn't have much impact. This time this storm has made a major impact. See how stormy it is. Literally all the trees are moving, shaking. Just have a look at this here. Crazy. Look at this. इतना जोर से मतलब हवा आ रहा है ना. I did a good decision by not going out there today. I just wanted to show you all how the impact is of this storm here. Good morning guys. So early morning scene. It's blowing but the rain has stopped and now I have to get my bike out. Here as well. Such strong is the impact of the storm that passed yesterday. You can see how dark the clouds are. See how dark it has gone. And it doesn't seem to be the month of May. All of a sudden turned into weather of July. Wherever you go, you can see that there are trees that are uprooted. Hopefully there isn't much damage done. You can see even here near the highway there are trees uprooted. ऑब्जर्व दैट इज़ ज़्यादा कुछ तो हुआ नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है, पता नहीं मुझे, बिकॉज दिस वाज द सेकेंड डे. ओवरनाइट क्या हुआ, बट ऑल आई कैन सी इज़ बहुत सारे झाड़ जो है वो सब गिरे हुए हैं यहाँ वहाँ, जैसे कि यहाँ पे. और साफ़ सफाई का काम चल रहा है. So all I'm getting a feeling is that the rains are back and we are back into the rainy season. ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मई का महीना है. मस्त हवा आ रहा है. You can feel the freshness in the air. ऐसा लग रहा है कि राइड पे चला जाऊँ, but considering the situation, not possible. But this is a proper weather यार. मस्त किधर निकल जाने का राइड पे. I have not carried any wind cheater or anything to shield me from rain. बारिश आ गया ना तो भीग जाऊंगा मैं. ना रेनकोट है, ना छतरी है, ना कुछ भी. See how it is outdoors and it's really blowing. So all I will say is just stay home, stay safe, take care of your family guys, and that's it from my end. I'll see you all soon in the next vlog. Take care guys, bye.